Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Apache on VPS with mod_SSL and HTTPS detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your VPS via SSH using your terminal or command prompt. Use the command SSH user at your _VPS_IP, replacing user with your username and your _VPS_IP with your server's IP address. Once logged in, ensure that your package list is up to date by running sudo apt update. Next, install Apache if it is not already installed by executing sudo apt install Apache 2. Once Apache is installed, check its status to ensure it is running with system+status Apache 2. If Apache is not running, start it by executing sudo system+start Apache 2. Now, enable Apache to start on boot by using the command sudo system+enable Apache 2. Next, you will need to install mod_SSL for Apache. Run the command sudo apt install openSSL to install OpenSSL. Then, install the Apache SSL module by typing sudo a2 nmod SSL. Now, restart Apache to apply the changes using sudo system+restart Apache 2. You need to obtain an SSL certificate for your domain. For this, you can use Let's Encrypt, which provides free SSL certificates. To install the certbot tool, run sudo apt install certbot python 3 certbot Apache. Now, you are ready to obtain your certificate. Use the command sudo certbot Apache to automatically configure HTTPS for your domain. Follow the prompts to select your domain and enter your email address for notifications. After successfully obtaining the certificate, certbot will automatically configure your SSL settings in the Apache configuration files. To verify that SSL is working correctly, open your web browser and navigate to https://your_domain. If successful, you should see a padlock icon in the address bar indicating a secure connection. To ensure your SSL certificate is renewed automatically, you can run sudo certbot renew dry run to test the renewal process. Finally, regularly check the expiration date of your certificate and make sure your server is up to date. With these steps completed, your Apache server is now active with HTTPS enabled. You can now securely host your applications and websites. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.